Hi everybody, Doug at Jammin J Auto Tire in St. Louis. I want to touch base with you real quick on a Jeep that we have in here today. Customer complaint, wouldn't start. They tried to jump it, still wouldn't start. Tow company came out, tried to jump it, still wouldn't start. So what we did is when we got the vehicle in, we found that this battery here, I'm going to show you the numbers on it real quick, but this battery was supposed to be rated at 550 cold cranking amps and it was only putting out new 295. Now, why didn't this thing start? Because when they tried to jump it, well, because this, you come over here and look at this little contraption fuse type thing here. This is actually a stop-start vehicle. And what happens on a stop-start vehicle is every time you pull up to a stoplight, this car is going to shut off the engine. Well, if you notice right down here, there's a small battery cable there and another one there. That's because this car has two batteries, and this is the auxiliary battery. So once we've tested this one, and I'll show you the results on it, but this one was measured, rated at 200 cold cranking amps, and it measured somewhere 5 cold cranking amps. So both batteries were the problem, and what we found is when you do these, you have to replace both batteries. I also want to point out, this thing says right here that this is a sealed AGM battery. AGM. So is this one. These are both AGM batteries. So this isn't your standard car battery. This is a newer kind of technology. Stands for absorbent glass mat. And basic thing was we had to replace both of these batteries on this vehicle.